Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your headphones JBL Everest. And let's get started. On the right ear cup we have all of the controls. So the first one is to play and pause the song. You just press on it one time to pause the song, press one more, and you will play a song. I don't know why this time as you can see it worked. To increase the volume, use volume up button, what have a plus icon, so you press on it and you will increase the volume. To lower it, use volume down button, what have a minus icon here, and you again just press on it and you will lower the volume. To play a next track, press and hold at the volume up button. And it worked. To play previous track, press and hold at the volume down button. Here we go. Also, right here we have a power button. To turn on, turn off your headphones, just slide up it to turn on or turn off. And right here we have a Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode and the Share Me button to share your audio with another Bluetooth headset. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!